So, I thought it would be pretty cool if my cargo lights came on with my reverse lights. And so hit the old Google, and turns out Boost Auto has a product that does that. And it looks like a really quick and easy install, so I'm going to show you how to do it. You just need 2 of these from Boost. And the only tool I'm going to use is this Gerber that's similar to a Leatherman, and flashlight. That should do it. All while I'm wearing a Benchmade t-shirt. First thing we need to do is find the BCM. Now this is a 2021 2500 HD, but it's pretty much in the same place on all the models that this covers, which I want to say is like 2020 and up, maybe 2019 and up. But at any rate, you'll want to check Boost Auto's website to see if it covers your truck or not. But it does cover the 1500s, 2500s, 3500s. But at any rate, on this truck, your BCM is going to be right above here. So you'll just come in and look up here, and that's the camera angle you're going to be seeing. This is what comes in each of the kits. They have the same part number. They are the same part. You've got 2 taps and then a wire. Now the thing to pay attention to on this is this blue wrap right here. The blue end will plug into the taps that are on pin 26 on the brown connector. And the other end, one's going to go to the pink connector, the other one's going to go to the black connector. But I'll show you that momentarily. If you're not familiar with how these work, basically stick the wire right here and then close this on it using your needle nose pliers, and that taps it into the wire. All right, now I know it's not pretty, but I've already done a little bit of work here. Now this is our pink connector. I've already installed the tap on pin 26. So the top is where the clip is, and then all the way down to the bottom, that's pin 27, so 1 over is pin 26. I put the tap on, and I've got our wire on. Now remember, the blue circle here is going to connect to the tap on the brown connector, so keep that in mind. Now on the black connector, this is pin 9, which here's the top here. And I've already got some other taps on here, so that's why it looks a little funny. Yours may or may not. We're going to go down to the 3rd row, 2nd wire in. And that's what we want to put our tap on. And then again, you're going to take your wire that doesn't have the blue connector, because the blue connector is going to go over to the brown eventually. And we're just going to plug it into our tap. There, now that is connected. And I'm going to go ahead and put these back in and get them out of the way. Pink goes over there. And then our black goes right here. Here's our brown connector, and it is pin 26. Pin 26 on this one is the last one all the way over here. Now I know that other one has 27 pins, but this one only has 26. Looks like the same connector, only 26 pins though. Here's how you put a tap on. You're going to hook the wire, just one wire. Make sure you got it in that slot. You get started just a little bit, and you're going to close it. This is what you need your needle nose for. All right, now we've got our connector on here. Now for this, you should be putting 2 of these taps on, but, well, truth be told, I'm going to cheat. I made a little dual connector wire. I've already got a lot of wiring stuff going on down here, and it's getting a little tight. So I'm going to connect you, and then I'm going to put this up into place. And now I'm going to take this, that's one connected. All right, we're all connected up. This really is a simple install that I have made complicated. Yeah, watch this. Just put it in reverse. Oh, look, the windshield wipers came on. And now the windshield wipers went off. I already know what the problem is. It's the black connector. You really got to pay attention to the directions, as I was saying earlier. I said third row from the top. It's the third row from the bottom. Second one in. So let me redo that black connector real fast, and then it should be working properly. And also, if I haven't said this already, you really should check out Boost Auto's installation videos. They are fantastic. Clearly better than this one. But it really is pretty easy if you pay attention. 100% on me. Now these connectors do come apart pretty easily with a screwdriver. Third row up from the bottom, second one in. It's not this purple wire, it's the one next to it. Plug our tap back in and put our black connector back up. All right, let's try this again. Put her in reverse. All right. Ah, look at that. So far, so good. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks good. I also upgraded those to very bright LEDs. So I really made that way more difficult than it should have been. But check out the Boost Auto videos. You'll see what I mean. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you down the road.